Hey guys, hope everyone's well. So here's the pond after look at the wetland filter, the bog. It is depleted. All the plants are in the house. Yeah, she's well, I'll show you after. But yeah, because I was like really stirring that up. It's a little cloudier, but like honestly, I can still see the bottom. Like it's better than like a good day before. So yeah, I'll take it. I will take it. So yeah, how about we feed these guys? But first, as always, smash that subscribe button, like the video, and watch it all. Watch all of them. So look at them go. And if you didn't see my last couple videos, we got some new guys. Actually, this guy's brand new. That guy right there, he's beauty. Look at these guys. Don't they look great? Love it so much. Actually, here, I never actually feed them over here. Oh yeah, there's that white platinum my son loves. Haha. Oh, it's such a different view over here. Love it. Yeah, it's you can see the tropical water lily like right here. It's not like the happiest, but that's expected. I think basically I gotta wait till like the frost, and then the foliage will die, and then I bring it in. I think that's how I'm supposed to do it. I have to look it up again, but I missed that. But yeah, I think that's what's supposed to happen. So yeah. So yeah, the water's looking pretty good. So I went up there. I didn't even show you the bog. So I was showing you them eating from a different area, but yeah, look, there's the bog. So like all these holes, that's good. Like there's not like a whole bunch of like crud like there it's thicker, but like here it looks amazing. I can see like water flowing everywhere. Water flowing everywhere is like perfect. It's exactly what I want. So the gravel is relatively low because I took all those big rocks out, and I want to keep those rocks just so I can have them around here. So I'm going to get some more rock. So yeah, enough of that. I love how the cattails are like dying off, but they're not dead yet. But I'm gonna give my kids these so they can like hit them, smash them, just for fun, you know. So yeah, so tonight I'm off to a concert. Gonna go see I, Mother Earth, and the Tea Party. Yes. So if you know who they are, you probably like their music, or you might not. I like it. I'm a big I, Mother Earth fan. Tea Party, they're good, but they're not my main my main jam, but I will definitely listen to their music. And the waterfall. The other day we went for a walk and I got some moss here. And then another log, just added it in, you know. And then the moss that I added there's doing well still, so. But yeah, I think we're gonna do one last feed and then we're gonna call it a day, guys. I finished work early, so I'm gonna relax a little bit and then head out. Well, relax and take a nap and then head out. Oh, they're right on the lily pads. Here they come. Slow and steady, I love it. Look at the smoky. The new guys are really fitting in nicely. Yeah. I think they're enjoying having a bigger pond too. Alright, here comes some other guys coming. It's like the call goes out. Alright, so remember, subscribe and like this channel, or like this video, subscribe to the channel, and please share. Check out my shorts too, guys. Yeah, I got a bunch up there. I actually have quite a few, so. Alright, you guys have a fantastic day.